show that the upper quartile lies between 2.7 and 2.8 minutes. Now this is not as complicated as it looks. You literally just have to plug in f 2.7 into the f equation, into cumulative distribution function, and 2.8, and see if there is some sort of a change between 75%. So what we're trying to see is that the value of 2.7 should be just less than 75%, and this should be just more. Oh man, I feel sick. So when I did both of them, this is what I got. I got literally the first one less than 75%. I got about 73, and the other one a bit bigger. So this means that there is a solution between here which gives us a perfect 75%.